I am here at La Fortuna Waterfall in Costa Rica. This is one of the most iconic waterfalls in Costa Rica, probably one of the top 5 waterfalls. And I'm going to take you on this journey down to the waterfall. The cost to hike down the waterfall right now is $10 for Costa Ricans and $20 for people that are not from Costa Rica. But let me go ahead and show you the journey down to the waterfall. If you want to change and get into a swimsuit in order to swim down at the bottom of the waterfall or the river next to it, then there are some changing rooms right here on your way to the waterfall. There are also some great souvenir shops just at the entrance of the waterfall. So if you want to get some souvenirs on your way out, then you're welcome to. Sometimes though, the souvenirs at the big attractions tend to be a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely worth going and taking a look at.
Before you head down to the waterfall, there's a lookout point where you can see the waterfall. Look at that. That's where we're going. It's beautiful.
This is the La Fortuna Waterfall. It's absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. It's about 200 feet from the top to the bottom. Check it out. It's awesome. A lot of times you can actually swim at the bottom of it, but right now, because of the rains in the morning, they're actually not letting you swim at the bottom of it, but it is absolutely incredible. There's another area if you want to go swimming, which is just beneath it over at this river. Let me show you. Look at all the people that are here. This is an awesome place to come. Now it's time to start the journey back up to the top. I hear it's like 500 steps, so let's see. I'm starting to feel it. Whew. I'm really starting to feel it now. But the good thing is, there's places to rest along the way. Here's one of them. Whew. It's a good hike. I made it. I only had to stop one time. So this is what I would say. When it comes to the hike, it's all stairs, but there's like 500 of them. There's a couple places to stop and rest. Whew, a little out of breath. But definitely, even with the hike, it's well worth it. Once you finish your day of hiking up and down the La Fortuna Waterfall, come and enjoy relaxing in this nice hot tub here at the Majestic Lodge. We have a property that has 10 bedrooms and 13 bathrooms, and it's perfect for large groups, and it can sleep over 30 people. So if you have a large group and if you're heading to La Fortuna, Costa Rica, come stay with us here at the Majestic Lodge. Check out the description below for information on booking your stay here at the Majestic Lodge.